Hello, friends. This is your Walgreens preview for the week of July the 23rd to the 29th, and there's lots of fabulous deals. As the week unfolds, there are My Walgreens Days, which are special promotions to get extra savings every single day of the week. Now, I'm going to let you know that for a lot of us that saw the boosters, I believe on Wednesday, they were there and then they disappeared around 1 o'clock. And I was like, load all these right away. And then everything vanished. But if you really looked at a lot of these boosters, them were doubled up for one day, and then the chronological order of a Sunday to Saturday, it didn't line up. So maybe they just tested it out. Keep an eye out to load these boosters. They might show up daily, but we're really going to have to play with them the day that they're launched to see mathematically what will and will not work. For example, like this one, which is supposed to be a Monday only, $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $20 on grocery, snack, beverages. So we're just going to have to wait and see how these play out and how they work for us mathematically to get the best and biggest savings. So it's a pretty exciting week. And please treat this video as a preview. The full ad with all of the details will be published on the Walgreens app on Sunday, July the 23rd, including all of the digital coupons. If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, it would really help me out. So if you could take a quick second and like this video, I thank you so much in advance, guys, for helping me out with this. So just give the video a big thumbs up. Okay, so looking at the cover of the flyer, we have various deals of the week. A lot of these were from last week, and as they carry over this week, are we going to get new digital coupons? For example, for Dove, that would be one that I'm kind of curious about if we're going to get a second Dove coupon. But if you didn't do the deal last week, here it is again, $7 and a 7 off 2 digital coupon. Some weeks, the manufacturer gives us one each week. Let's hope they do that this week, but we'll have to wait and see until Sunday. But grabbing 2 of these for $14, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $7, get back a $4 register reward, making it 3 for the 2 or $1.50 per. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn your register rewards, and we're going to have to wait and see if that coupon resets on Sunday. The next deal that I absolutely love is the Garnier Fructis Hair Care. 2 for $8. We're going to have a 3 off 2 digital. Looking at the math for this, grabbing 2 of the hair care products for $8, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $5. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $2 for the 2 or $1 per product. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn that $3 register reward. This specific deal, we're going to be grabbing a toothpaste and a brush for $3 a pop. We have dollar digital coupons, a $4 reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of those items at $3 a pop, that's 6. Subtracting $2 digitals, you're going to pay 4 out of pocket. Get back a $4 register reward, making this free. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn your register reward. Now, this is another superb deal, and maybe there might be a digital coupon on Sunday. Wouldn't that be nice? But I love it when this comes back. $3.99 for the Dawn dish soap, $2 reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of those, it's going to be $7.98. Get back a $2 register reward. Final price point is $5.98 for the 2 or $2.99 per. And will there be a coupon on Sunday morning? Yes or no? We'll have to wait and see. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal without a booster. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at is with the Tide Simply Downy That Laundry Care for $3.49. 50-cent digital coupon showing up on Sunday morning, dropping this down to $2.99. Now, here's another great deal with the Viva or Cottonelle products. We're specifically going to look for the Cottonelle toilet paper at $4.99. If this digital is attaching, we are going to be rocking and rolling in business, and we're looking for the Ultra Clean. IBOTTA is giving back 75 cents per pack, so for 2 of them, it would be $1.50 back. And Shopkick also has a rebate for 400 points, which I believe is $1.60, so a little something. Grabbing 2 Cottonelles for $9.98, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $8.98. Get $1.50 back from IBOTTA and $1.60 back from Shopkick, making it $5.88 for the 2 or $2.94 each. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash if you're doing this in concert with a booster, and definitely open up your Shopkick to ensure that the rebates are attaching for both the toilet paper for IBOTTA and Shopkick. This is another super deal with the Downy Tide, the more expensive line at $5.49. Buy 4, get back a $5 register reward. Grabbing 4, and you're going to have to mix and match all of them because there's going to be dollar digital coupons for each. Subtracting that $4, you're going to pay $17.96, get back a $5 register reward, making it $12.96 for the 4 or $3.24 per product. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens Cash to earn that $5 register reward. And who doesn't like Tide for this price point? Obviously, with a booster, it's a much better deal. This deal really excites me. $24.99 for this bronze shaver, and then $8 in Walgreens Cash when you buy one of these products. Now, grabbing one of these, you're going to get back your $8 in Walgreens Cash. It makes it $16.99. Obviously, with a booster deal, it's a much better deal. And when you spend $20 on P&G product, and Braun is a P&G product, are you going to get that extra $5 register reward? Well, we're going to have to wait and see. Maybe some magic. And I do not know if this is a spend or a buy deal, so we're definitely going to have to look at the tags on Sunday morning for this one. The next deal that we're going to just look at, and we're just going to kind of look at possible theories. $20 of Walgreens Cash when you spend $45 on personal, and this is valid Thursday only, and this was advertised pretty big in their flyer. The next is to spend $30 to get back $10, pairing that with another $10 of shampoo. You're going to be a little short to get you to $45, but this potentially could make a lot of beauty care products completely for free, just to show you that one example. Now, on Monday, this promotion is there to spend $20 on food products to get $10 back in Walgreens Cash. So that's a 50% return on investment. But I don't know, is it going to be Walgreens brand only or all of this food? Well, we'll have to wait and see till Monday morning. Getting ahead of myself here. But just looking at the Nice brand trail mix, and I'm sure this will be part of it because this is their bread and this is their butter. It's on sale for $1.78 for this bag of trail mix this week. Let's grab 12 for an example. And remember, we're doing this on Monday the 24th. 12 of them in a cart for $21.36. Pay that with your debit card because this is like a spend booster. And you're getting back $10 in Walgreens Cash, making it $11.36 for the 12 bags or 94 cents per bag. So if you really love trail mix, this sort of stuff, I mean, this is definitely the moment to stock up. Remember not to use any Walgreens Cash to pay. Use your debit card. But we're going to have to play with this on Monday and see what kind of food deals we can cook up. The last couple honorable mentions that I would like to look at, the first is back to school. Every week before, when school starts in August or September, lots of cheap stationery products. And we have the 50-cent crayons, very good price point on that. And we also have this Excedrin $5 reward when you buy 2. If you could find this on clearance for $1.29, 2 of them, that's a moneymaker. Along with any allergy medications on clearance is also kicking back that $5 store register reward when you buy 2 products, and it's working with clearance. So you might want to moonwalk down that aisle. As always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.